Back it in. So we got an IS300. There you go. Show them. Fully built. Oh, glass. No, it's not fully built. But we finna put these headers in. Headers is from Torxe. The mid pipe is Megan Racing.
I mean, the quality is pretty good from Torxe. Usually I'll get OBX, but OBX didn't have any in stock anymore.
Yeah,
for
the weld is not that.
For past 3 months. I mean, Megan of course is gonna be real good. Other than that, not bad for these two. I mean, I'll have the products in the description below for the pricing and all that, but
yeah, we're gonna put these in and piss off the neighbors. Do I talk?
sure.
Alright. So this is what we working with here. Alright, so we gotta take out the turbo sight.
You can take out the cover.
The freaking air filter.
And the piping.
And vacuum line.
A few people have trouble getting to the bottom left bolt back here. What we did was just grab a 14, stick it in the middle, and then switch it from over there, and it should be fine.
Alright, so this old ass wanna be complicated. That bolt and the one where the mid pipe and headers meet, they're rusty as freak, and they're not gonna come off. There's a lot of videos out there talking about that is really hard to take loose. Apparently, it is hard to take loose. What we're gonna do is cut where the mid pipe and the headers meet, and then from where we cut it, we're gonna take the headers out from the hood, and then we're gonna dump the resonator and muffler out. Take it out, and then we're just gonna dump that in there. Put it in there. After freaking 2.5 hours of cutting that shit. I don't think it was 2.5 hours. Anthony, was it 2.5? Nah, I think it was probably like an hour.
That's good too.
Damn, I took that long. He started cutting, and then started cutting from he started okay, that's the fucking point. And then after that I went under there, and then I started and finished. I got more progress because he just gave up. Not gave up, I'm just playing, he didn't give up. But he I don't know, I just took over. It was hard to get the top cutting it because we used a small rotary tool and then we had pulled some ghetto productions. We use this where I cut it. There's like a gap. I put it in and I keep bending it out, and after that we just kept freaking trying to rip it out. And then sooner than later, freaking, you could tell where it started bending right there. That was not fun. Not fun at all. I got metal shavings all over me. Trying to get the O2 sensor from the mid pipe. After the O2 sensor comes out, you might just drop the muffler and then just throw the headers on in the mid pipe, and then call that shit a night. We progressed to the next day because it got late and we was tired. We ran to the auto parts to grab the penetrating stuff for this AG bolt, and we had to spray some on the O2 sensor too. And right now we're gonna take the O2s out and then throw the headers on, and then try to get that out so we can connect it to the mid pipe. He gotta go to work in like a couple hours, so we gotta get this done right quick.
Okay, so it's been about a few hours. I just got back from work. Ethan has been in here
all day
for like since
7-8 hours.
I think since like 12, and I went to work at 5-ish. So he just stayed in here, finished up the rest. The headers are on. Ethan had to drill out the hole so it would fit. Right now, it's just the headers in the mid pipe. So we're gonna see how that sound like right now. Hey, you should leave it off. It seems louder because we're in the garage, but it's still freaking loud. Like. That co-star, that shit is loud.
I was getting ready to open my Kit Kat bar and the whole water bottle shook. I was like, wait a minute.
Damn, dude, I would run that on my shit. I would just leave it and just extend the pipes back.
No, we can get in trouble for.
Y'all damn 30 minutes.
I told him after they make.
I know, that's why I laughed, because he's eating.
Oh, my finger.
Touching the manifold?
I feel dumb as hell.